Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So convert this polar equation into a Cartesian equation. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, the minute you see r cos theta, then you should be able to replace that with x, and then visualize cosecant as as one over as 1 over. So visualize this thing here. Visualize this thing here as 1 over sine of theta. And remember, the minute you see this, you should replace it with x. So this whole thing here will then become this. Times both sides by sine theta. That will then give you this. Now you've got r times sine theta. So that's really y. This thing here is really y. So that then becomes this. So this is your Cartesian equation. Okay. Next one. So convert this into a Cartesian equation. So here you've got a double angle here, and this is me just helping you out here. So anyway, convert this into a Cartesian equation. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so whenever you have sine double angle, sine double angle, then you can visualize it as this thing here. So put this into here. So this whole thing here will then become this. Okay, now you've got r squared here, and you can break this up as, so you've got r squared, you've got r here and r here. So you can break it up as this. So the minute you see this block, this is really y. The minute you see this is really x. So this whole thing here will then become this. Divides both sides by 2. That will then give you this. So y is 1 over x, which is this, right? So next one. So convert this into a Cartesian equation. So this is really me helping you out here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, whenever you have one thing plus another thing, then you can replace it with this. So this thing here will then become this. So now you can multiply this whole thing out. And remember, cos pi over 6. Remember this this famous triangle where you have 1. If you have 1 and 2, then this will have no choice but to be root 3. And this turns out to be at an angle of pi over 6. So whenever you have cos pi over 6, cos pi over 6 is really 3 divided by 2. It's really 3 divided by 2. Well, cos pi over 6 is really root 3 over 2. And then whenever you have sine pi over 6, well, sine would be this. Sine would be 1 over 2. So whenever you have sine pi over 6, it's really 1 over 2. And then you've got that. Don't forget, you've got to multiply this out. This times this times this. Well, overall, it will then give you this. So now tidy it up. It will then give you this. So this is your final answer. Okay.